Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will share with you the process on how to create the moon look. Prep your nails by pushing back the cuticles and buffing the nail plate. Use some alcohol on a lint-free wipe and rub down your nails. This is to ensure your nails are totally clean and oil-free. In this video, we will be using Las Vegas Nights, which is a beautiful black and holographic glitter shade. We're happy to inform you that this color is now also available on Rossi Nails Europe website. To complete the look, we will use GLAM Powder Clear. Apply a thin coat of Rossi base coat to the entire nail surface by avoiding the cuticles. Quickly dip the nail at an angle into the powder. Move the nail around to create a French smile line high up on the nail. Shake the jar to even the surface of the powder. Sprinkle the clear GLAM powder to the rest of the wet base. Tap the nail to get rid of any loose powder and gently brush away the excess. Apply another thin coat of base to the entire nail surface and dip the nail into the powder the same way as before. Sprinkle the clear GLAM powder on the remaining wet base. Repeat the process on all the nails and brush off all the excess powder. Dip powder air dries and hardens to an acrylic-like feel after applying the Rossi Activator liquid. Use the Rossi Activator generously and apply it covering the tip of the nail and capping the nail's edges. Make sure to let it fully dry before you proceed to shape and buff your nails. Once you're done with the buffing, wipe away any dust and apply 2 layers of the Rossi top coat. Use quick and thin strokes. Allow the first layer to dry for about 2 minutes before applying the next layer. Massage Rossi Nourish cuticle oil into skin surrounding the nail plate. Be sure to continue applying the cuticle oil over the days to come to keep your cuticles moisturized and healthy. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe!